Did you know that beyond our solar system, water isn't always the familiar liquid, solid, or gas we know? Imagine entire planets where water transforms into bizarre, exotic states like hot ice and supercritical fluid. First, consider supercritical fluid, a state where water is neither liquid nor gas. On exoplanets like Kepler 138d, temperatures in its atmosphere are likely above water's boiling point, creating a thick, steamy envelope. Beneath this, immense pressures could transform water into a supercritical fluid, forming oceans thousands of miles deep that are unlike anything on Earth. Next, prepare for hot ice. On a Neptune-sized exoplanet called Gliese 436b, despite scorching temperatures exceeding 526 degrees Celsius or 980 degrees Fahrenheit, water exists as a solid, exotic form of ice. This hot ice remains frozen due to the planet's immense gravitational pressure, literally squeezing the water molecules into a solid state, defying our everyday understanding of ice. And here's a truly mind-blowing fact. Some exoplanets might actually generate their own water. Recent research shows that sub-Neptunes, planets larger than Earth but smaller than Neptune, can form water deep within their interiors. Through chemical reactions between dense hydrogen gas and molten rock, these planets can produce vast amounts of water, challenging the long-held belief that water must come from external sources like comets. These discoveries completely transform our understanding of where water can exist and what forms it can take in the universe. It means that planets with water and potentially life could be far more diverse and abundant than we ever imagined, existing in conditions that seem utterly alien to us. Want to learn more fascinating facts about our universe and beyond?